Hi everybody, this is Jason. Happy Sunday. Welcome to my open house. I'm here at 3126 Coolidge. This is a team listing, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, offered at $2,695,000. I just wanted to start this open house tour outside to show you guys how big the lot is and how quiet it is and how peaceful this is. This home is great for anybody who has a big family or who loves to entertain, especially outside, or for somebody who's looking for that blend of living and working space. Come on, I'll take you guys around.